In this tutorial, I will show you how to add automatic subtitles in Premiere Pro. So let's get on with it. In the transcription preferences, let's start by smoothly navigating to the Edit tab in Premiere Pro, effortlessly selecting Preferences and finally Transcription. A panel will gracefully appear where you need to ensure that the Automatically Transcribe Clip option is enabled. In the transcription preferences, choose how to transcribe only clips in the sequence and click OK. Next, select the audio track and head towards the text panel. But if you can't find it, go up to Window and down to Text. Now from the transcript, you see the text. Here you can correct it if there are misspelled words. Then go to the CC icon, which stands for Creating Captions. Click on it and this panel will pop up with the configurations. From Caption Preferences, decrease the maximum length to 10 and the minimum duration to 1.3 seconds. Also make sure the lines are single and then click on Create Captions. Once the captions are created, select all of them, head to the Essential Graphics panel and customize them to your liking. You can change the font, adjust the size and place them wherever you prefer on the program monitor. The power is in your hands. To add animations to the captions, we will first convert them into graphic layers. This is done by going up to Graphics and Titles and then down to upgrade captions to graphics. Now we can go to Effects, find the Transform effect and drop it over the first graphic layer. Then we'll go up to the Transform effect, disable the Use Composition option and increase the shutter angle to 180 degrees. After that, I'll go up to Scale and create a keyframe with a value of 72. After that, I'll move 3 frames forward and increase the scale up to 115. Then I'll move another 3 frames forward and bring the scale back to 72. Also, I will select all keyframes, right click to ease in and again right click to ease out. Then I'll copy this effect, go to the timeline, select the rest of the graphic layers and paste it. And just like that, you can add subtitles and animate them in Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.